paper. For the next few minutes, I thought we could leave the busy world behind and spend a quiet afternoon together in the Austrian countryside. I will wander through fields, collect some flowers, and write a few pages, make something with my hands, and simply enjoy late summer. And so grab a cup of tea if you have one and get comfortable, and let's go. I think one of my favorite things about summer is how alive everything feels. The grass is tall, wildflowers are everywhere, insects are buzzing. Even though this heat this summer has been quite intense and everything is quite dry, as you can see, but nature still invites us to slow down. Even though I didn't really have a plan, I've been wanting to learn more about yarrow, so I've been trying to find them out. Here are some yarrow, for example. I've heard that it's traditionally used to make tea and that is helped with period cramps. Journaling has become one of the gentlest way I know to check in with myself. It's something I do every morning. I write the morning pages, and other days I write just a few sentences, but it doesn't really matter how much I end up writing. What matters is just giving myself the space to listen and reflect, because the mental chatter is sometimes too much, so I need to take it out on the paper. This is the coolest pen ever. I found it in a park, just randomly lying on the floor, and I was like thinking it's a bit weird to write with, but I didn't notice what it was. And actually you can roll out this paper and it's a pen with paper. That's the coolest thing, actually. I have these lumens prints. The lumen prints I wanted to share with you are from when I was in India this May, and they're really cool. This one is quite hard to see. These flowers are really cute, and I love how they all turned out in a different color. Like the sun hits, when the sun hits really strong, I think then they are like pinkish, and when the sun isn't that strong, it's like bluish. At least that's what I kind of felt like happened. So I have these, and this was a cool flower too. This one is very cool too. This one has also a weird texture. Very nice to have some Indian money. I mean, I don't know what it is about traveling, but I'm always really interested in the money, how it's designed. Look how there's like Gandhi on here, and he has some, here you have some glasses with, well, probably his glasses with some writing in it. If you're Indian and you can read that, let me know what it means. I like storing it in the pocket because I don't know yet what to do with these. I think those I have to, I think those I will have to eventually fixate with some kind of chemical. I don't know with what. Still have a lot of lumen prints left. A lot of, no. I have 3, I think. 3? I'm learning that creating can simply be a way of spending time. There is no expectations, no pressure. I don't need to make a beautiful drawing or a finished drawing even, or a conceptual idea. I just wanted to capture the flowers and just spend some time away from screens and just enjoying the feeling of making something with my hands. I decided to go out on another walk to take in the sunset vibes, and before heading home I had a little surprise. I saw an owl and a deer, and it felt like such a great way to end the day. Thank you for spending this little summer retreat with me, and I hope it reminded you to slow down as well. Notice the season around you. I just heard a deer growl. Maybe you can hear it. There was... You hear it in the back. So pretty though. hope you enjoyed spending 10 minutes of your day in the Austrian countryside with me. I'd love to know what your favorite part of summer is, and just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.